Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your browser supports extensions and that WhatsApp Web is active. Open the Extensions page, enable developer mode or allow third-party installs. This lets you load unpacked or external extensions. Once done, download the extension package or locate it in the store. Keep the file accessible. You do this because browser policies block unsigned code by default. So enabling developer options temporarily gives you the control to install and test the new WhatsApp Web extension safely and quickly. You now install and configure the extension. If loading unpacked, click Load Unpacked and point to the extension folder. If using the store, press Install and accept permissions. Once added, open the extension's options page and set notifications, keyboard shortcuts, and data sync preferences. Make sure to grant only necessary permissions. This prevents overreach. After configuring, refresh WhatsApp Web. The extension injects UI elements or background scripts. This step customizes functionality and ensures the extension communicates properly with WhatsApp Web's interfaces. You finish by refreshing WhatsApp Web and verifying the extension's features are active. Check for new buttons, notifications, or automated actions. If something fails, disable other extensions to detect conflicts, clear site data, and reload. This resolves most injection or caching issues. Make sure your phone remains connected to WhatsApp. Sync problems often look like extension failures. If the extension misbehaves, revoke permissions and uninstall. Then reinstall a clean copy. This controlled rollback protects your account and helps isolate the root cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.